While creating a column or bar chart, you would have faced one small problem. Let me show you what is that. Let me select a bar chart. In this, I'm just adding a product and then I'm adding a quantity. Now let me increase the size of font at y-axis. Now when I make this chart, because I don't have enough space and I want to keep this chart little away and I want to make the chart size little small, rather I want to decrease the width. If I do it, you can see the name of the axis, the y-axis is disappearing. So how to deal with this? This is a trick. You need to select the chart and go to formatting options and go to y-axis, because now the names are truncating in y-axis. And then if you go down, there are three options: minimum category, maximum size, and inner padding. Currently what is happening, the bar size is distributed at 75% and the text size is given only 25%. So just make it as 50-50. What happens if even when you make it much more smaller, you can still see the axis name properly and that won't get truncated. Hope you like this tip.